Have you ever wondered how much influence lesser-known animals have had on human evolution? You might be thinking of lions, elephants, or perhaps the humble dog, but today we're shining a spotlight on the unsung heroes of evolution. These are the creatures that don't typically make headlines, yet they've played pivotal roles in shaping who we are today. The story of evolution is not just a tale of survival of the fittest, but also a complex narrative of interdependence and synergy. Every organism, no matter how small or seemingly insignificant, has a part to play in this grand tapestry of life. From the tiniest microbes to the most elusive aquatic creatures, each has contributed to the course of human evolution in its own unique way. Unfolding this story allows us to appreciate the intricate balance of life and the profound interconnectedness of all organisms. As we delve deeper into this topic, you might be surprised at how much we owe our existence to some unlikely creatures. Let's begin our journey with the smallest, yet arguably the most influential group of creatures, microbes. These invisible entities, too tiny for the naked eye, hold an incredible sway over the course of human evolution. Microbes, you see, are everywhere. They coat every surface, fill every crevice, and even make their homes inside our bodies. In fact, each of us carries around trillions of these microscopic tenants, but far from being mere passengers, these microbes play an active role in shaping our health and development. Let's take a look at our immune system, for instance. It's a complex network of cells and proteins that defends the body against infection. But did you know that it's the microbes within us that help fine-tune the system? They expose our bodies to a constant stream of antigens, training our immune cells to recognize and fight off harmful invaders. Then, there's our digestion. We humans like to think we're self-sufficient, but when it comes to breaking down food, we get by with a little help from our microbial friends. Inside our guts, a bustling community of microbes works tirelessly to break down complex carbohydrates and synthesize essential vitamins. But the influence of microbes doesn't stop there. Recent research suggests that our microbial companions may play a role in everything, from our metabolism to our mood. They might even influence our choice of mates, steering us towards partners with different immune systems to ensure the survival of our offspring. So you see, microbes aren't just along for the ride, they're active participants in our lives, shaping us in ways we're only just beginning to understand. And while it's easy to overlook these minuscule creatures, their impact is anything but small. So, as it turns out, these invisible creatures have been quietly shaping our evolution, one microscopic interaction at a time. From the microscopic to the minuscule, insects have also played a significant role in our evolutionary journey. These tiny creatures, often disregarded or detested, have contributed far more to our existence than we might realize. Insects have been around for millions of years, longer than us humans, and they've been essential players in the grand game of evolution. Let's consider, for instance, the role of insects as a food source. From beetles to caterpillars, insects have been a part of the human diet for ages. In fact, entomophagy, the practice of eating insects, is still prevalent in many cultures around the world. Rich in protein, vitamins, and minerals, insects have helped our ancestors survive in harsh conditions. The nutrients derived from these tiny beings have contributed to our brain development, physical growth, and overall health. But it's not just about the nourishment. The act of hunting and gathering insects has also shaped our cognitive abilities. The precision required to catch a buzzing bee or a quick running beetle has honed our hand-eye coordination and spatial awareness. The strategies devised to trap or attract insects have stimulated our problem-solving skills and creativity. Insects have also shaped us in more indirect yet profound ways. They have been vectors for diseases, carrying pathogens that have threatened human populations for centuries. Malaria, dengue, yellow fever, to name a few, are all transmitted by insects. While these diseases have caused immense suffering and loss, they have also driven the evolution of our immune system. Our bodies have learned to fight off these pathogens, making us more resilient in the face of new threats. Insects, in their own subtle ways, have guided our evolution, shaping our bodies, our minds, and our societies. They've been our food, our foes, our teachers, and our test. We've learned to adapt, survive, and thrive thanks to these tiny tutors. The next time you swat away a fly, remember its ancestors might have played a part in making you who you are today. Now let's dive into the aquatic world and explore the influence of lesser-known marine animals on human evolution. The vast ocean teeming with life has played a more significant role in our evolution than we often recognize. Consider the humble mollusk. Its high omega-3 fatty acid content, found in abundance in our early ancestors' diets, has been linked to enhanced brain development. Our intellect, our creativity, our very humanity may owe a debt to these small, soft-bodied creatures. Delving deeper, we encounter marine microorganisms. These tiny life forms have not only influenced our understanding of biology but have also opened new avenues in medicine. Compounds derived from marine microorganisms are used in treatments for a range of conditions, from cancer to cardiovascular diseases, highlighting the invaluable contributions of these underappreciated ocean dwellers. It's clear that our relationship with the underwater world goes beyond the fish on our plate. As we have seen, our evolution has been shaped by a vast array of creatures, many of which often go unnoticed. From the microscopic organisms that inhabit our bodies and the world around us, to the insects that pollinate our plants and help maintain our ecosystems, and even the aquatic life that contributes to the biodiversity of our water bodies, each has played a part in the grand tapestry of our evolutionary journey. These unsung heroes of evolution, in their myriad forms and functions, contribute to the balance and harmony of our planet. They are the hidden architects of our past and present, and without them, our world would be vastly different. Through their interactions with each other and with us, they have shaped and continue to shape our world, influencing our development and survival in ways we are only beginning to understand. So, next time you encounter a creature, no matter how insignificant it may seem, remember that it too, in its own way, is a part of our evolutionary story. Before we wrap up, let's take a moment to appreciate the profound impact these frequently overlooked creatures have on our lives and the world around us. Each organism, no matter how small, plays a crucial role in the intricate web of life. As we move forward, it's essential to remember that our actions can influence their survival and consequently, our own. We need to strive for coexistence, understanding that every creature has a valuable role in our shared evolutionary journey. It's not just about preserving them for the sake of biodiversity, but also respecting their contributions to our existence. In this light, we urge you to learn more about these unsung heroes of our evolution. Explore their world, understand their importance, and do what you can to protect them. Our survival and the future of our planet depend on it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating videos like this one. Together, let's embark on a journey of discovery and appreciation for the hidden architects of our world. Remember, every creature has a story, and each one is a chapter in our shared evolutionary tale.